Hey guys, happy Memorial Day. I've been promising a full garden tour, but we're going to get into it. But instead of my long-winded dry videos, we're taking a different approach. I'm going to give you a tour of everything we have on this quarter acre in under 90 seconds. Go! Tomatoes! Black cherry, Sun Gold, Sun Sugar, Super Sweet 100, two more Super Sweet 100s, San Marzano, Brandywine Red, peppers, mild jalapenos, Italian Long Red, California Wonder, Red Bell, everything else, Fort Hook, Bush Zucchini, Bok Choy, half Danver carrots, arugula, Blue Lake bush beans, purplish cucumbers, my epic fig tree, strawberries, taters, bird poop gives it extra flavor, Reliance grape, fingerling carrots, Black Beauty vining zucchini, mammoth sunflowers that are not looking too mammoth yet, pathetic little fig trees, 15-year-old peach tree, it ain't gave me a peach yet, blueberries, and blueberries, heirloom Jonathan apples, flowers, 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 flowers. Harry, Mr. and Mrs. Hooterific. It's Petunia, Little Kong. Any resemblance? Little Georgie. Ralph and Company. Miss Lovey. Look at all them chickens. Flowers. Oh, we're done? Thank God. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tour. I gotta go get some water and take a few breaths. See you next time.